Hello everyone, and welcome back to the My First Variable video series. In the previous videos, we created our podcard and applied our light and dark variables. You may remember though that we'd never got around to creating the decorative variables. So today we have a quick video where I'm going to show you how to create them. I'm going to pull back my side panels and start to create these variables that we have already set up in the light and dark mode variations, but as raw hex values. Let's open up the variables panel and you'll see we don't have them yet. So let's go around and one by one add them to our list. Create a new color variable, decorative green, and sample these from the canvas. This is the benefit of having them laid out in front of us. Okay, so the light one, or day mode, is this darker one, and the night mode is the lighter variation. Press Shift and Enter to duplicate that variable, and we can now rename this one to yellow, and then resample. The same for the night mode. Shift and Enter again to recreate and rename to blue. Sample this one and then resample the night mode for this one too. Same process for the rest. So now we have the purple. Sample from the canvas. And we're good to go on this one. The next one is red. And finally, we have the pink one. So now we have them all sampled. We can start to apply them. This is also where the benefit of components comes in. If I go back to my podcard, we have the image already as a component up here. And inside that, everything is a layer. So we can see all the layer structure. If we see the podcard, we now have the image as an instance placed inside. Select the image again, zoom in to see it all, and in the selection colors in the bottom right hand side, we can start to apply those variables. So the green one we know is a decorative green, the blue one is decorative blue, the purple is the purple, the yellow, yellow, red, red, and pink is pink. Now what we have is all those variables applied. I haven't got one for the background color because this is actually a fixed color. We may get around to this later because in this instance, we want it to be black on light and dark mode. So we'll keep that as a hex value for now. Nothing's changed in the podcard, in the instances as well. However, in the night mode, we now have variation. So you'll see in the day mode, the colors are a bit darker. In the night mode, the colors are a bit brighter. If I select my frame for night mode, you'll see in the layers panel on the right hand side, we have the color for the mode set as night. If I switch this to day and auto, the card changes back. Just make sure I've got the background color added here, background for the page. I can now change the mode to be day fixed or night fixed. You'll see the colors change. Auto basically means the first color. So if I open up my variables panel, we have day as the first column in here, which is what we get when we have auto. Auto has now disappeared because it's the first value. I can select it to variable icon again, switch to color to day mode or night mode, and all those colors switch out. That's it. That's how we add our decorative tokens or variables in this case, and they get propagated down from component down to the instance. See you in the next video.